A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Then we move on to the mechanized multi-level car parking at Vivekananda Road near Additional Secretariat and Polo Commercial Complex, Phase 3. Next we have the beautification of Yodo Market. And finally, the improvement and beautification of 5 lakes in the state, and which include the Wards Lake, Malse Lake in Eastern Air Command, the Nirman Jheel at Latkor, the Memo Lake at Williamnagar, and the Rango Karam at Resubelpara.
To go there, but my team, including our health minister, had gone there, who's also the agriculture minister, Kong Amperin Lingdo, and our commissioner and secretary for agriculture had gone, and we have they have seen the place and plans have been made. I would like to go on the day of the inauguration. So we will go and we'll inaugurate it when it is complete. I am hopeful that within the next 12 to 18 months, we should be able to complete this first phase of 5 crores. And then after that, we have already earmarked another 10 crores to be spent in Yodo Market. And we are also keen to work with Government of India agencies to work with us and help us to then get further funds. So 15 crores will be spent to beautify Yodo, and I'm sure that with the help of the Himamalim, the Mantri and all the other traditional heads and the stakeholders, the shopkeepers out there and the other individuals involved, that we will be able to make Yodo Market into one of the best traditional markets in our region, in the Northeast region. This would not just be a place where farmers will be able to sell their products, but more importantly, it will be a place where people who would like to experience our culture, would like to get a glimpse into what Meghalaya and its rural areas are about, how the farmers are, what kind of products we grow. All these aspects will be connected to this experience in Yodo, and we want it to be a very, very grand experience that people will remember and never forget. And let me assure you that we will do whatever it takes to ensure that we are able to complete this project at the earliest. The second project is something that's very close to my heart, and it is really the beautification of Wards Lake, because I cross this place every day, and every time I cross, I keep coming up and thinking of different ideas. And I'm happy to see that this parking lot at the back is coming up, so we'll have the promenade out there where we'll have some shops and parking areas and place for the hawkers out there, and a place for people to sit, as was mentioned, even a small place where children can play, and even if possible we'll have an amphitheater where performance can happen. The idea is really that the potential that Wards Lake has, I strongly feel that we have not explored it to the max. For example, we had started one evening market out here. I'm sure some of you have visited. And this evening market, though it started off very small, today has become very popular among the tourists. That today the tourists are telling us, can you continue it throughout the year? And therefore we are looking at the possibility of continuing this evening market. In fact, if you were to come to this evening market and sit there, you know, you would be completely kind of transported out of Shillong, and you'd feel you're not in Shillong anymore.